So, are you a business owner and you're not leveraging on Facebook and Instagram ads to grow your business in 2024? Trust me, you are lagging behind. So, all you have to do to grow your business using Facebook and Instagram ads in 2024 is you have to subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell notification icon so that you always get notified anytime I upload new content on this channel. So, in today's episode, I want to talk to you guys how to structure your ads creative for optimal performance. Now, there's something you guys don't know. Your video, your flyers, it plays a crucial role when it comes to your ad performance too. So in today's video, I want to show you guys how to do everything because like we have different placements on Facebook and Instagram. So you need to have different videos or different flyers that will fit in into these different placements that we have so that Facebook or Instagram will be able to utilize your creatives for optimal performance. So without wasting time, let's dive into my ad manager. Let me show you guys how to do everything step by step. So the first thing we're going to be doing here is we're going to be clicking on create a campaign. Then we're going to select the sales campaign objective and click on continue, select manual sales campaign, continue. Then let's just wait while it loads. Okay, so the thing is, I'm not going to teach you guys how to set up a campaign or how to set up your ad set in terms of targeting and the rest because that is not the purpose of this video. So I'm going to be jumping straight to the ad level. So if you want to watch tutorials on how to do your targeting very well, when we're talking about the ad set, you can watch some of the previous videos I have uploaded on this channel. So I don't want this video to be lengthy, so I'll have to jump this step and go straight to the ad level. Now we are the ad set level. Oh, what is this? Okay. So we are the ad set level now, and I'm going to teach you guys what to do here. So you see that ad setup, we have create ad, use existing post, and the third option. Just forget about the third option. So the one we are going to be focusing majorly on today is this first option that says create ad. And I will leave it on what is it called? Manual upload. So you know that we have different formats here. We have flexible single image and video carousel collections and okay. So we're just going to leave it at this single image or video. Now, your primary text, you can enter primary text of your choice, but then see this media, click on add image. Now, I just want to select any random image here. So let me go with this image and show you guys what I'm talking about. You see, we have different placement. Like this particular one is Facebook, Facebook feed, stories and reels, and the last one is search result and whatever. Now, this particular image that I selected, this particular flyer that I selected, it's only for feed, in-stream videos, and the rest of them. So you can see that when it comes to stories and reels and even apps as well, you can see that there's empty space here and then come to the bottom. Let me scroll to the bottom, and at the bottom here, you can also see that there's empty space here too. Let me scroll up again. This is not going up. Okay, so on this particular one too, you can see that there's empty space here and there's empty space here too. So the ideal thing for you to do here is you need to create three different flyers if it is flyer that you want to use, and if it is videos that you want to use, you create three different videos as well. One, the first video has to be a square video that is 1080 pixel by 1080 pixel. Then the other video that you're creating, the video has to be in Reels format, which is 9 by 16. Then the last one is this format here. So the only thing that you have to do here is, let's say, or let's assume that you already have three different flyers, one for feeds and another one for Reels and stories and the last one. So all you have to do is to come here and click on this replace. So you click on replace and you select that particular flyer that you have created. So on this, for the sake of this tutorial, I am going to select this. Let me click on it. What's this? Close. I'm going to click on next. So you see that the empty spaces has been filled up by this particular image that I selected here. So in your own case, let's say you're going to use this Ekura City flyer, for instance. You make one like this, make another one that is going to fill up this space too. Then for the last one too, click on replace. Let me just select this video, click on next. you see that it has already been filled up, but then there's still empty space. So you can just come and click like this. You see that now what you have done is Facebook is going to show, or Facebook or Instagram is going to show your advert on different placements. So like all this thing, it has to do with bidding. So when there's an option for you to bid for reels, this will display, or stories, this will display for you. And if it is what is it called, the Facebook feed or Instagram feed, this will display for you. So but in a scenario whereby you don't have a flyer or a video for the stories and reels, it's going to be difficult for your ads performance. So always ensure to use at least two different creatives. If you cannot make for this last one, no problem, but try as much as possible to create a flyer for feeds and also create a flyer for stories and reels. So once you have done that, you click on next, then skip and continue. You don't have to do anything here. So this all optimization, always ensure to toggle it on, click on done, and you are all set. Ooh. So now another thing that you guys need to know again is your creative. So you have to enter your text here. That's your ad copy. Okay, so since this flyer is about real estate, I can just type something like to book for an inspection, to book for an inspection. With an inspection, kindly call the number on the flyer. Kindly call the number on the flyer. Something like this. So you can write something like this. And for your headline, so for the headline, you can write anything of your choice. Oh, let me think. Um, the right time, the right time to buy property. Buy right time to buy property is now. Something like this. Then once you have done this, I don't know why the placement is not coming out well. Oh, 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 okay, let me put it here. Mm, okay, so you can see the different placement. So this is how it's going to display on the Facebook or Instagram feeds. So you see, this is for Facebook or Instagram feed. Then this side is going to display on desktop. Sorry, what is it called? Not desktop. I can't remember right now. So, but this side is going to be displaying on Reels. So on Reels and Stories, you see. So always ensure to set up this, and your ad is good to go for excellent performance. Then another thing I always emphasize on again is, I always told you guys to create at least three different ad copies. Like this is just one campaign, one ad set, and just one ad. Always ensure to create at least three different ad copies. Click on this original. How many times? Just two times. Show existing. No, we don't want this. Click on duplicate. Now you see that we have duplicated this ad into three different places. So all you have to do is to come here and edit the creative, and that is the flyers or the video that you intend to use, and also the write-up too. You come for the last one, you do the same thing, and you hit on the publish button. So you can allow this ad to run for like 3 to 5 days. Then you come back to review your ad to see the video or the flyer that is giving you the most results. So the one that's giving the most results, you just have to allow that one to continue running. Then you turn off the rest ads that is not performing well to your taste. And all you have to do again is you come to the ad set level again and increase the budget here. Because okay, let's say you intend to spend $50 on each of these ads. So that means you'll be spending $150 per day. But then since you have discovered the video or the flyer that's working best for you, all you have to do is to channel the whole $150 into one of the ads, the one that you see that okay, it's the most performing ad for you, and you're good to go with getting the most results from your campaign. So that is the end of this video. And if you have any question, please always drop it at the comment section, and I'm here to answer all your questions. So if you have any inquiry or you need me to set up your campaign for your Facebook, Instagram, Google, or YouTube ads, always reach out to me. Send me a direct message, and I'm going to ensure to do the right targeting and set up the right campaign for your business. Your niche doesn't matter, but what matters is result. And I assure you and I guarantee you that I am going to give you that result that you are expecting from your campaign. So thank you, and I hope to see you in my next tutorial.